Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A big thank you for all of you to come to this grand Diwali Gala evening. And I'm also very thankful to our guests of honors to have taken the time from their tight schedule to come and bless us in this grand Diwali evening. 8 days from now, that is the 30th of October, we will celebrate Diwali. Diwali is one of the biggest festivals in India, which is the celebration of life and goodness. We believe in India that Diwali brings you good luck and prosperity. I thank you all for coming over here to be with us in this grand Diwali evening, and I wish you good luck and prosperity. Many of my colleagues in Switzerland are always asking me, is this Indian culture? Is this how Indians behave? Dear friends, I just want to tell you that India is not one culture. India is like a mini Europe. When you visit from one country in Europe to another, what changes is the culture. What changes is the language. What changes is the tradition. What changes is the food. And trust me, in India, when you go from one canton to another, you experience the same. And this is why I'm proud to say that India is called the land where we have unity in diversity. Today, in this Diwali Gala evening, we presented you food from all major regions of India. We went from the north, we came to the south, we went to the west, and we came to the east. I'm sure you would have enjoyed the food which we presented to you. Another myth which my friends are always telling me over here is that India is spicy food. Ladies and gentlemen, India is known to be spicy among people over here, but India also has some cantons in India, one of the best cantons, one of the very well-known cantons in India, Gujarat, is even known to add sugar in the spices when they present the dish to you. So it's not about spicy, it's a different variety of food which we carry in India. In line with the different cultures and traditions, today, in a few minutes from now, we will present you the play which is Masala Fondue. I mean, the name also signifies what we are going to present to you. The masala comes from India and the fondue comes from the Swiss. In this play, we will have a Swiss boy who falls in love with an Indian girl, and we will see that they break all the cultural and traditional barriers, clearly demonstrating that what comes first is the humanity which binds us together. I will not take that long because I don't want to give you a very lengthy speech, but I would like to thank all our sponsors who have been generously supporting us to make this event. I would also like to thank the guest of honors today who blessed us by coming in this grand Diwali evening. And last but not least, as you know, IAB was founded in 1969. In 1969, we are nearly going to celebrate 50 years. And we have to thank all our senior members who had the vision to create in today's world what we call a great product called IAB, which facilitates us to share, embrace and celebrate. Thank you all. Good night.